In this video tutorial, we'll review how to use your meal planning guide. Taking the time to plan your meals can have such a positive impact on your health. This guide will help you create your very own delicious meal plan. Your meal planning guide contains a blank plan, a selection of recipes, and any attachments your practitioner wants you to reference. To get started, look through the recipes and select the meals that appeal to you. You can use the filters to find what you need. Click into the filter button and scroll to see what's available, or you can type in a keyword. Once you've located a recipe you'd like to add to your meal plan, select it. You can set the number of servings you'd like, and then click the Add button. Choose the meal time and the days of the week. And then select Add a Recipe. View the recipe within the planner by clicking Home and then selecting the plan name. Be sure to mark any of the days as leftovers by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Toggle as Leftover. This ensures you can cook once and enjoy the meal multiple times while shopping for the proper amount of ingredients. You can also drag and drop any of the meals into another open meal slot. So if you'd like breakfast leftovers to be enjoyed for a snack, you can simply drag and drop into the snack column. Repeat the process of adding recipes until your planner is complete. You can also add recipes from directly inside of the planner. Click into any open meal slot, and your selection of recipes will appear. You can scroll to find what you need, or you can search with any keywords. Click the recipe you'd like to add to your plan and select the number of days. Be sure to mark as leftovers as needed. If you'd like to delete a recipe you've added, click on the recipe photo and deselect the days of the week. Or you can click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Remove from Plan. If you'd like to swap a recipe, click on the icon with 3 dots and select Swap Recipe. Swap All will swap every instance of the recipe in the plan with a similar meal type and macronutrient profile so as not to disrupt the plan. Selecting Swap will only swap this instance of the recipe. As you add recipes to your plan, you'll notice that the grocery list is automatically generated. You can view it by clicking the List tab from your plan. Your list is organized by category so that you know exactly what you need in each section of the grocery store. You can reference this list at any time or on any device so that you can mark items off. Once you have done your shopping, you may want to do some meal prep. This is optional, but can really help set you up for a successful week. Look at the recipes you have chosen and see what can be prepped in advance. Perhaps you can dice vegetables or even make an entire recipe to save yourself time later on in the week. Any small task to set yourself up for the week ahead will help. Once your meal plan is complete, you're all set. Check your plan every morning and night so you know what is coming up next and can stay organized. And that's how easy it is to use your meal planning guide.